Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. This is Tony, your favorite YouTuber. In front of the camera, you've got the Pamu Slide Mini, the premium earbuds on a budget price. It's 2020, there's no need to spend 300 bucks on a pair of Bluetooth earbuds, guys. How do I know? Well, the Pamu Slide Mini was my dear companion during the lockdown. They did an amazing job, guys, for several reasons. But first of all, let's start from the beginning. Pamu is a company, I believe it was a Kickstart project, something like that. They've got their first product released last year, and this is essentially their kind of, modified, perfected, and the second product that they sell. They've got it in this dark blue or maybe black color, white, pink, and green. Pretty much something for everybody. Price-wise, they're 55 bucks or 45 British pounds from their official website, which I'm going to put links in the description down below. Now, since these were my first ever Bluetooth earbuds, I had nothing to compare them to, so I couldn't really give you an honest review in the beginning when I got them. So what I've done is the most sensible thing, of course. I've bought 3 other pairs of Bluetooth earbuds from different price ranges so I can compare, and finally, after a few months of waiting, I'm finally done with my verdict, guys. And you should get those, but first of all, let's see which are the main features and what makes them stand out from the crowd. So let's get it on. So the first pair that I bought was the PowerUp Y1. They cost only 20 quid, guys, but as you can see, the case is a little bit flimsy. They're all made of plastic over here. They're really not loud enough. So yeah, not very good, and the battery life is just 15 hours of playtime, guys. So for 20 quid, that's what you get. I thought that I have to spend a little bit more. So here's what I got next. Next up, I bought this Stoga S2 for 30 quid, guys. I thought that's a good idea because this case provides a power bank capabilities and the battery life is excellent, over 60 hours. However, the sound quality of these little ones is really not good. Sound insulation is poor and they're very easy to fall off your ears. So I thought I gotta go a little bit more expensive than that. So next up, I spent 64 pounds on this Monster Air Links over here, guys. But unfortunately, apart from the, nice carry rotating case over here, the sound quality is okay, but there is no wireless charging and there is no IP certification and there is no noise cancelling. So yeah, for 64 quid, not a really good idea. So the best option seems to be the Pamu Slide Mini. Okay guys, so first of all, we've got wireless charging on the case over here. There is not many Bluetooth earbuds with wireless charging, but the Pamu Slide Mini does have that. Battery life is amazing, guys. I managed to last a whole week every single time with one single charge. Why is that so? Well, every single of these two earbuds has a 100 milliamp hour battery inside them, and the case has an additional 400 milliamp hours. So you've got one full charge from the earbuds plus 2 additional charges from the case. So in total, you've got 30 hours of playtime, guys. During my testing period, that was my regular usage, about a few hours a day, so a whole week, guys. I'm a little bit disappointed of the recharge times, 3.5 hours, guys, which is quite a lot, but considering that you're getting a whole week of battery life and you've got wireless charging, put them on the charging pad, leave them, overnight, and you're gonna be good to go. Now, each one of those weighs just 6 grams, and the overall weight with the case is just 52 grams, guys, which makes them quite pocketable. Now, in terms of the case itself, it has a really nice kind of sparkle effect, only visible on sunshine. That's how you're gonna appreciate the build quality, guys, and the magnets are quite strong as well. I'm not gonna do a separate unboxing because there's the box over here. Inside the Pamu Slide Mini's box, you've got the instruction manuals, a bunch of spare tips over here, guys, USB Type-C cable, as well as this really nice carry pouch over here. How do they sound, you might ask? Well, pretty good for a Bluetooth headphones. Earbuds, actually. Earbuds, not headphones, earbuds. I'm thinking about headphones because I was about to tell you about the noise cancelling. Now, those support noise cancelling, guys. Most of them don't. These support noise cancelling, but don't think about noise cancelling like the proper, where are they? Over here. Like the proper, you know, full size headphones over here. It is not that good. But in terms of Bluetooth earbuds, that's as far as you can go. It is okay, provides good sound insulation compared to the others. And yeah, you can definitely hear a little bit of, you know, kind of a white noise in your ear. So yeah, you've got noise cancelling, as well as they're IPX6 certified, which means that you can use them while running in a light rain. Do they fall out of your ears while you're running? Well, I don't know, because I don't exercise. They're quite comfortable to wear as well. Check this out, how they look on my ear over here, guys. I'm gonna come a little bit closer over here so you can see. And yeah, I can definitely feel some suction inside my ear, and I can definitely see a noise cancelling over here, guys. I mean, the sound insulation of the tips is quite good on those babies. One small criticism about the design that I have is this rubber thingy over here. It's supposed to, you know, improve the I don't know what exactly, and it comes off a little bit like that. Of course, you can use them without it, but you've got this sharp edge over here. So I really don't know why they decided to go along with this route, but I guess if you have, you know, bigger ear canals or something like that, that's gonna help with the grip a little bit. In terms of durability, I'm quite happy with them as well, guys. During the lockdown, I was doing the shopping and trying to get this bloody face mask off my face. I managed to push the left one. Is it the left one or the right one? The left one, yes, the left one off my ear. It dangled down the road, and this is the only damage that they sustained. Not too bad. So yeah, overall, although they're not gonna blow your socks off in terms of, you know, overall loudness, they've got wireless charging, they've got IP certification, they're kind of water resistant, and they've got a great battery life. So what else you can expect from a Bluetooth earbuds, guys? And especially at that price, £45, you can't really go wrong with them. I personally recommend them. And at the end of the video, I just want to clarify that this review unit was provided by Pamu. I don't do any paid reviews. That's why I bought 3 additional pairs, so I can compare them and give you guys my honest opinion. Because to be honest with you, all of those suck one way or another. These ones over here, the Monster ones, are really close to sound, but they've got other issues. So yeah, pretty much for 45 quid, this is the way to go, guys. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Subscribe to Working Project.